In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the voice control feature on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, once this loads, we're going to go down to the voice control section. So it's going to be underneath hearing, and it's going to be a little bit past that. I think it's under the motor section. Just want to go ahead and select voice control from this list, and then just toggle this top option off to disable voice control. And it might just take a moment to fully disable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.